at Jobsite. Just now got loaded. The neighbor boys are working on a dirt bike track on a skiddy. So naturally I got to pull over and talk to him a little bit. There's Douglas right there. Look at little Douglas. I know these boys well. I've done them forever and ever. So I'm pull over and chat with them a minute.
What's up?
Hey Bub, squirrels don't fly.
How you doing?
Good, how are you, buddy? Good to see you.
YouTube going?
You're on YouTube, yes sir. This is Douglas, the white Douglas is my, how old are you? 21. 21, baby on the way.
Oh yeah.
Big brain, actually smarter than most 21-year-olds, but that foundation I was working on is right there, and then this is the neighbors. They all know each other, but they're working on their sickle track, so naturally, you boys gotta come see what's going on. Damn, look at these ruts, boys. Shoo, that looks good. So you got an inside and outside line going.
Yeah, look at these over here.
Yeah. Dang. Little step up double going. That looks fun. Oh boys, look at this. Oh, you got 3 lines in the corner. That's beautiful. Man, that takes me back when I was a kid. Like, this is giving me old Morse track vibes. Oh, this is beautiful. We're gonna have to walk the whole course. Dang.
It's fun, but it kind of gets a little sketchy because all of us take the same lines.
Yeah, and you got 2 or 3 boys battling. It gets nerve-wracking. Oh, yeah. You just cleaning up brush, knocking on trees. Is that what you're doing right now?
Yeah, trying to make it a little
Look at that soft, how soft it is still. Early time to spring dirt. Nice little double. Boys, I'm proud of you for making ruts that deep. I'm still jumping it. I'm just, you know.
Oh, yeah, I get it.
Like, you're hitting faces with ruts like that's sketchy.
Yeah.
It looks like a fun double, though.
Yeah, it takes a lot more on the 250 than what you would think.
Yeah, it's uphill and it's really soft.
It's so soft, you know.
You're using all your rebound.
Oh, yeah. Especially that wood suspension.
Uh-huh. Oh my goodness, you guys are crazy.
This is just like an on-off. Like, you're supposed to jump this and then jump into the rut.
So this is a takeoff, and then there's one tree there and a tree there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's just, you don't want to roll these, you know what I mean?
I see that, yeah, I probably wouldn't want to either.
You don't want to end up on the wall.
This is a cool little woods course though, for real. I mean, pulling up here, I don't know what double I saw. It's down there.
It's over there,
yeah. I was like, dang, it looks fun. Look at these ruts. Yeah, this is awesome. Indiana guys, this is what we grew up with. This is what we ride. In the spring, this is what you got to deal with. That's why Indy Supercross every year, you got ruts all the way across the faces. That's just, it is what it is. Dirt is that way here. Oh yeah. Yeah, put your boots in there. I mean, yeah, that's a deep rut. I mean, that's basically in the SX for sure. Or Detroit last weekend. I mean, it's gnarly.
It's fine, but it gets sketchy.
Oh yeah. Makes you live a little. You guys are young though, so you're used to that living.
Yeah, this is our issues right here.
Roots and rocks.
Rocks.
Indiana, bud. I mean, heck, my dad's house is, 5 minutes from here, so I'm dealing with the same kind of stuff there when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah.
Like, did you know I had a track back there by my dad's old shop? I used to have a track there.
No,
went all the way up in that field. Yeah, I had a arena cross, motocross hybrid.
Really?
Yeah, it was just like this, except not as fast. Like, this is you're going way faster back here.
Yeah, but it's slow.
Yeah, no, this looks awesome. I mean, looks so much fun.
The only issue is the faces are like walls. Like, this is like a wall. Like, you hit it this side, you gotta hit it one way. You hit it this side, you gotta hit a completely different speed.
Yeah, he tried to take it out with a dozer.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't budge. Yeah, I've been there before.
I was gonna top it off.
Yeah, I top it and then make it, either if you cut off flush and put dirt on top of it, make your landing wider. Yeah. I mean, this place could be legit sick. Like, this got wicked potential. I love it.
That's the plan in a few months. That one jump though, it's not even.
Which one? This one you're telling me about?
Yeah, we'll be over there in a second.
Shoo! Check this right out. Dang. Walk in front of me so they can see perspective. Yeah. I mean, that is a big rut. I'm just impressed you guys stay in it that smooth. I've been like over here, right here, I've been done. Just tipped over, throw all stuck open on my hip. This looks like a good time.
It's a good time, as long as you don't make the trees.
Yep, avoid the trees, but you guys are good at that.
I wouldn't say good at it, I said used to.
Okay.
You've got about, from here, you know, you've got about 4 bike lengths of a
Bob. And then that's a double. So the landing's in between the two trees to the right.
Landing is, yes, the landing is
oh
on the
my
other side
God.
of that first tree.
Oh boys, this is what I made a Snapchat about earlier.
Yeah.
I'll plug that Snapchat in. That takeoff to the in between the two trees is that is something else. So old Douglas, old Maston, old Grubby, Watkins, all you ground squirrels that's been jumping this, respect. But that's dangerous. Right here, as I was pulling in earlier.
And the face is just what, 6 feet long?
6 foot. It's enough. You can stand up and hit. But yeah, you get them other trees out there, boys. That's gonna be sick.
It's sick, but
if you get that group of trees with the X's on them, get those out of there and get the rocks out there with a dozer.
Yeah. Yeah,
we need a dozer out here again. Here's a little Hanky right here, little eager beaver. What do you say, little boy?
Hey, how are you?
You got the YouTube going. This is Hank. This is his family's property. How old are you now?
16.
16. Eager beaver. He did a lot of this track by himself. Like I said earlier, this is what Noel and I did. We got our own equipment, rented it, and we pushed it up and we learned and learned. And actually, he used to ride at Wanger's place years ago when he was just a little tyke.
Yep.
I mean, he didn't jump nothing for like 4 years.
Yep. 4 years to get off the ground.
Yeah, but now he's out here making doubles to the woods. So pretty cool just to randomly drive by here, which I knew they had this track, like I said, but I've never saw him out here, so it just worked out well. The sun shines for not even 48 hours, and all the dirt bike kids just swarm. Like, we're ripping, so. Yeah. Heck yeah, well, there's a little preview of a course that just randomly worked out. Figured I'd film it, and check out that video too. That's gonna be about how I almost got sued, but I didn't get sued. Check it out.